Few rapid fire questions, all
Let's
right?
do this.
So, favorite dish to cook?
Risotto.
Oh, yes, I love that answer. Favorite dish to eat?
Steak.
Okay.
My dad's steak.
I know you've had a couple numbers over the years, but what's your favorite number?
Probably 28.
Favorite place that you've lived over the years?
Arizona.
Favorite thing that you ate today?
I had some spaghetti with some duck confit and a lot of other stuff, and it was good though.
Anything comfy, it's
Yeah.
sold. I got it. Favorite TV show? Could be over time or at the moment.
I'm a big cartoon guy.
All right.
I'd say SpongeBob.
Nice.
No, Hey Arnold. Hey Arnold's a classic.
Ooh.
Yeah.
If you could have a superpower, what would it be?
Teleportation.
Quick and easy.
Yes,
I like it.
Yes.
It seems like you thought about that one.
I was talking to a friend about this, and like one of my teammates not too long ago. He's like, "Well, it's super." I said, "Teleportation. I could be in Arizona,
Yep.
wake up, go to work. I'm back. I'm here. It's so easy." Yeah.